Billionaires like Bill Gates and Richard Branson are betting your entire future on a steak that never had a heartbeat. No cow, no slaughterhouse, and not a single drop of blood. What you're looking at isn't fake meat. It's real biological beef, grown atom by atom inside a high-security lab. While the world was sleeping, the 10,000-year-old era of traditional farming just ended. This is the first ever look inside the factory that's deleting the animal from the equation. It all starts with a single cow, but here's the twist. The cow stays alive, unlike traditional farming, where thousands of animals are processed daily. This process requires only a tiny, painless microbiopsy. Scientists extract a cluster of stem cells smaller than a single grain of rice. These are the master cells. These cells have a biological memory. They know exactly how to grow into muscle and fat. From this one microscopic sample, this factory can grow enough meat to feed an entire city without ever taking another life. We are officially moving from raising animals to cultivating cells. One cell is just a blueprint. To feed the world, we need trillions. Inside the multiplication lab, these master cells are introduced to their new home, a nutrient bath. Imagine a secret cocktail of amino acids, sugars, and minerals, the exact same fuel that a cow's blood provides to its muscle. In this controlled environment, the laws of nature are put on fast forward. In just a matter of days, a sample that fits on a needle tip grows into a massive biological force. This is where meat stops being an animal and starts becoming an industrial product. This is the heart of the facility, row after row of 20,000-liter stainless steel bioreactors. If you've ever seen a beer brewery, it looks exactly like this. But instead of alcohol, we are brewing muscle. Inside these colossal tanks, the environment is perfectly tuned, mimicking the warmth and pressure of a living animal's body. For the next few days, the cells consume the nutrient broth, growing into thick layers of pure tissue. No fields, no sun, no waste, just pure industrial biology on a scale never seen before. This single room could eventually replace thousands of acres of grazing land, but a pile of cells is just a mush. A real steak has texture. It has that bite that meat lovers crave. This is where the scaffolding comes in. A steak is a masterpiece of biological architecture. To give lab-grown meat its structure, scientists use an edible, plant-based honeycomb structure that acts as a skeleton, like vines growing on a trellis. The muscle cells wrap around these fibers, aligning themselves into the familiar, chewy texture of real beef. This is the secret that turns a biological paste into a gourmet meal. Now, biology meets the machine. 3D bioprinting wing, the meat is literally built, layer by layer. High-precision nozzles act like digital butchers, depositing muscle, fat, and connective tissue with micron-level accuracy. Unlike traditional ground beef, these printers can replicate the complex marbling of a Wagyu steak or the lean fibers of a prime fillet. We aren't just manufacturing food, we are synthesizing life itself to create the perfect cut of meat every single time. Production is only half the battle. In the harvesting zone, every single cut undergoes a rigorous digital autopsy. Hyperspectral cameras scan for the smallest imperfection, while AI sensors verify the protein density and fat distribution. This is the cleanest meat ever produced. Think about it. Because it's grown in a sterile lab, it is 100% free from antibiotics, bacteria like E. coli, and the microplastics often found in modern livestock. Only the perfect, lab-certified cuts make it to the final stage, the flash freeze chamber. The ultimate test isn't in the lab, it's on the fork. As this lab-grown steak hits the pan, it behaves exactly like its farm-raised counterpart. The fat melts, the sugars caramelize, and the aroma fills the air. But the true impact goes beyond flavor. By removing the animal from the equation, we save billions of gallons of water and millions of acres of land. We stop the methane emissions that are warming our planet. Billionaires are betting on this because the current system is failing. This isn't just a new way to eat. It's a blueprint for a planet that can finally feed itself without breaking. The question is, when this hits your local store next year, will you be brave enough to take the first bite?